a variegated Heartleaf Philodendron. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I am doing my first ever plant swap, my first plant trade. Whatever these are called. I swapped some plants with Alex from Beantown Houseplant. She's here on YouTube and on Instagram, so go ahead and follow my girl. But I sent her some goodies and she received them. I already see she liked them. They got there in great health. So it's my turn and I cannot wait to see what she picked for me. Everything in here is a complete surprise. I do not know what she sent, neither does she know what I sent, so I'm very excited to see what she packed up for me. So if you're interested in seeing the plants that Alex sent to me, then keep on watching. Okay, so welcome back. I'm just gonna go ahead and pan you guys down. Okay, can you guys see me? Hi! Alright, so first thing first is I'm gonna cut away mine and her personal mailing information. Put those over there. All right. This is so cute. She left me a little note. So cute. I'm gonna save this. I saved all of my notes, my Planty friend notes. So thank you, Alex. All right. I'm gonna fix y'all a little bit. All right. I hope you can see me and the box. So fashion magazines. All right. So the first one, this is a Syngonium Erythrophyllum. My cats are gonna love these too. So she sent me a gift for myself and for my cats. I'm so excited. This is again my first ever planty swap, my ever plant trade. I've never traded, well, it's not a trade, it's just a swap. And who better than one of my awesome planty friends. She is the best ever, honestly. And so she says this is a Syngonium Erythrophyllum, and she wrote, I know you're great with Syngoniums. I am. Syngoniums, I think, is my favorite phylum just in general of plants. All right. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the underbelly. Oh, Alex, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Oh, this is beautimous. This is beautimous. Beautimous. Cannot wait to pop baby in something. So I'm gonna put you in some water. What is this? Put it back over there, please. Alright. Next beauty. This is a vanilla Planifolia. Never heard of these. And some twine for my cats. And she said root this in some sphagnum moss. Look at this. This is interesting. I've never heard of this, so I'm very curious to actually Google this plant and see what it is and give it the proper home, because this is beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. Thank you, Alex. And I reuse all of my shipping materials, so all of these are not getting thrown away. They're getting upcycled. Okay, next one. This says it's Rhipsalis Pentaptera. I love Rhipsalis. I have a nice little Rhipsalis that is just growing like weeds. Rhipsalis are awesome plants. Let me see. Alright, this one's not gonna get reused. Rhipsalis. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. This is so cute. This is so cute. Alex, can you see? Rhipsalis Pentaptera. Oh. Yeah, so I'm just gonna like stick this bad boy in some soil. And the last plant is a variegated Heartleaf Philodendron. Whoa! Oh my gosh, Alex. This is so cute! Look at my regular old schmeggler on one of my few heart leaves. And then this is a variegated. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I definitely I'm gonna try to water root this. I'm gonna text her. Well, not text, like message her about the best method. I'm gonna actually just stick some rooting hormone on this and just pop it in my propagation station with the rest of my pothos. But this is a variegated Heartleaf Philodendron. I didn't even know this was a thing. This is what the plant community does. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. All right, girlfriend, let's get it. So excited. Alex, I love all of these. All right, let me show you guys all of them. So I have the Syngonium, beautiful. My Heartleaf variegated, my Rhipsalis, and I forgot the name of this plant, but again, I'm gonna have to write your names here because I am so happy. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My first ever plant trade, my first ever plant swap with a planty friend in general for the year of 2020. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's get growing.